Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my messy kitchen. So we have been doing nothing, as you can see, this weekend, and usually me and my husband, we spend the weekend together, and this is the time when I don't want to do anything. I don't want to clean, I don't want to cook. So our kitchen is a total mess, and today's Monday, so let's tackle this kitchen together. I'm gonna run you through a little time lapse of how I do it and blast some music for myself. Thank you for watching this little concert, but keep in mind that twerking with hot tea in your hand is a very bad idea. Anyway, I do have a system in place when it comes to cleaning my kitchen. First things first, I do all of the dishes because I need to put them away because they create a mess. And then I'm tackling everything that is not supposed to be in the kitchen, like for example this freaking lamp. I have no idea what is going on. I don't know why it's there, but it's there. My kitchen island is usually like a magnet for things that are super random, and I don't know what to do with it. I have no idea how they appear there. Maybe it's my husband, maybe it's me, I don't know. I'm the type of person who hates visual clutter and mess, so I remove literally everything from my countertops. The only things that I keep are my toaster, my kettle, because they're super cute, and a bunch of flowers that you can see in the back. The rest of the things, they must go. Also, I don't even know if that's just my thing, but I love cleaning videos so much. I love watching people clean. That's kind of my obsession because it's so satisfying, and it gets me motivated as well to do something myself because look at that, so satisfying. Oh my god. Personally, the key to having a great clean kitchen is to just store away as much as possible. For example, all of my appliances are hidden away so you cannot see them, in drawers, in cupboards, everywhere besides my countertops. And I usually put some things on display because decluttered and clean doesn't mean that you are not allowed to have other things. Or you can put a bowl of fruits on display, that will work too. But other than that, keep your things simple. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!